So I'm cleaning my room, and I figured, you know, we might as well film it. So primarily we have to deal with this thing because these are all clean clothes and these are all dirty clothes on the floor. But right now I'm just going through my drawers one by one and like organizing stuff. Today's the last day before break, so I feel like, you know, it's like I should come home, like, you know, I should come back to a clean space, and like I have this time while I'm here, so I might as well clean up, you know, because classes got canceled today, which means that I'm just about to be here all day until I can go to the airport and get on my flight. But might as well make use of the time.
And although my dad is an artist, i.e. the art that is on the walls, I don't have enough art to fill all my walls, and so I went online and I looked, and I didn't really see anything that excited me, and so I decided that I would create my own art. And the reason why I wanted to do this was because I was on TikTok the other.
Okay, now we gotta move this. Bro, I feel like you wash your clothes and then they get like right back dirty. I don't know, man. Okay, so now we just have like a hang up pile, and then these are like low-key shirts that would be hung up, but I honestly feel like they're dirty because, like, I don't know, like white shirts get dirty so quickly, so I'm just put those in the dirty clothes hamper. Zip that up. I'll do laundry when I get back, I guess, because I'm definitely not doing it today. Yeah, and I'll just like hang these jeans up and like the sweater. Okay, we're taking the intermission so I can go to the dining hall and get some iced coffee in this cup of mine. It is so rainy outside. They canceled school. I thought somebody was right there. They canceled school. They said the weather was gonna be bad, but it's not even bad. It's just rainy. But like, are we complaining? We're not. We are grateful. Okay, where were we? Okay, let's continue. And now I feel like we can just organize all of this, take my trash and recycling out. Then we'll hit the desk, but this to start with. Okay. So this I'm like taking like on the trip with me. So this is like stuff that needs to come. All this other stuff can stay here. I feel like I should add a couple of these. Just por en caso. Ugh, I can always like still taste the dust of the pill. Anywho, should we set the vibe? Maybe we should change the color. You can't really see anything, but like, we'll do blue. Bruh. Can you tell that I have a problem? Like, an obsession? Like, I'm not okay? Okay, to be honest, this is like as best as this is gonna get. Because I don't have like a place for this and like stuff like that in here. Anyway, now we need to get rid of all this crap on my desk and organize it and do this crap. So yeah. Okay, yo terminé mi cuarto. Alright, I swapped the floor and everything. What y'all know about this? So that was basically it. Thank you guys for tuning in on me organizing, basically me getting my life together. I'm going to Miami tonight, which is fun, but I just needed a clean space to come back to, so this is it. And I will be doing a room tour because I finally just got like my bedding and everything and like my decorations, just hung stuff up. So you see that? Peace. I know it's all